Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm so excited to guest design for Pink in Maine this month and participate in their YouTube hop to help celebrate their brand new Mini Minc Machine and CheerFoils. I've used other hot foiling machines before, but this was the first time I tried a Minc machine, and it's super easy to use. And maybe the best part about the machine, it's pink. Here's a look at the contents that come inside the box. We have the machine. I love the nice small size, perfect for card making. There's also the owner's manual, a couple test projects. We have the Sentiment Adventure and a camera with the word click. There are 2 foil samples, one in silver, one in gold, and also the transfer folder. Everything you need to get started foiling. In addition to the Minc Machine, Pink in Maine also sent me a couple packs of their Foilables. The first one is Make-A-Wish Foilable Kit. There are 2 sheets filled with sentiments and images. These are perfect for cutting down to add to your cards or projects. The sheets have toner graphics. All of the black you see on the sheets will adhere to the foil you use when you run it through the Minc Machine. In addition to the sentiment and image sheets, there are 3 different backgrounds, and you'll receive 2 of each. We have balloons, polka dots with diagonal stripes, and candles. I also have a pack of the rainbow toner sheets. There are 8 sheets in a rainbow of colors. These are 8.5 by 5.5 inches in size, and these are perfect to use the negative portion of the foil. That way you don't have any waste at all. I was also sent several different CheerFoils to try. Pink in Maine has a wide variety available in a rainbow of colors. Some have the mirror finish, others have more of a matte finish. There's beautiful holographic and lots of sparkle. What I'm showing you is a very small variety of what's available. A roll of CheerFoil is 6.25 inches by 25 feet. So you'll have plenty to use on lots and lots of projects. So let's go ahead and get started on a card. I selected the balloon graphic toner background and some gold star iridescent foil. I'll place both of them inside the transfer folder. First the toner graphic with the image up, then I'll place the foil on top with the shiny side up. I'm using the heat setting number 3. When inserting the folder, you want the folded side first. You simply gently push it into the machine until the rollers grab it and it'll pull it through. And don't help it along, just let the machine do all the work. When it's finished, it'll come through on the other side. And just a warning, the transfer folder is very hot, so do let it cool before touching it. Slowly pull back that foil to make sure your image is completely foiled. I noticed part of the balloons in the upper left-hand corner didn't get any foil, so I did run the image through one more time. And now it's all finished and super sparkly. Now I'll use the negative piece of the foil with one of the rainbow toner sheets, and I selected this fun bright pink color. So same thing, slowly pull back that foil piece. If you notice there's areas where it didn't completely attach, you can run it through the machine again. And this time I noticed an area in the upper left-hand corner didn't completely take. So make sure to only lift up part of that foil until you've fully checked your image. After running it through a second time, it turned out beautiful. I love the background with the gold stars and the pink balloons. It's super sparkly. Now I'll do the same thing with one of the sentiments. I cut out Make-A-Wish. And I'm using this beautiful striped rainbow CheerFoil. Pink in Maine's CheerFoil can also be used with adhesive sheets and tape. So you could add a beautiful foiled finish to a wide variety of die cut shapes. My favorite part is pulling back that foil to look at the beautiful finish. Look at all that lovely shine. When you have such a beautiful background, it's hard to cover it up. I will be adding a frame. I used Pink in Maine's reverse scallop rectangle die and some gold satin mirror cardstock. I had a different idea when I was first prepping this card, so I cut down my foiled panel to 4 inches by 5.25 inches. But it probably would have been better to leave it the full A2 size, 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches. I adhered it onto some white cardstock, so you do see a border around that foiled frame, but that will be covered up with the reverse scallop rectangle frame. I'm adding some thin foam dimension on the back of the frame. I'll remove the release paper and adhere it to the front of the card. I think the satin gold works well with that super sparkly gold foil. For this sentiment, I cut out another rectangle about the same size, and I'll adhere the two pieces together, just rotating them slightly so you can see a little bit of the gold behind the sentiment. Then I'll put some foam dimension on the back side and adhere the sentiment in the center of my card. And with all of that beautiful sparkle and shine, I decided my card didn't need anything else. For the second card, I followed the same design. I used some of the blue CheerFoil and added a third layer behind the sentiment in the same blue cardstock color. It really helps that sentiment pop. If you are interested in any of the products I used in this video, including Pink & Main's brand new Mini Minc Machine, I do have links provided in the description box below. They sell a wide variety of Foilables and CheerFoil. I can't wait to try some of the other designs. Don't forget to check out the rest of the stops on the YouTube hop for more inspiration. Make sure to leave a comment on every video for a chance to win a basic foiling kit, including a Mini Minc machine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.